Today's Hindu editorial that we are going to discuss is real estate. Peoples participate in the political process. It must for JK and J&K to see stability with growth. The changes in land laws in Jammu and Kashmir notified by the center on October 26 allow the purchase of the land by those who are permanent residents of the union territory for the first time. Only permanent residents could purchase land um, in the erstwhile state, which was recognized as two UTs in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh in August 2019. One of the arguments against the now modified special status of Jammu and Kashmir was that the restrictions of land transfers hampered investments. Jammu and Kashmir industrial policy had limited land holding of investors of designated enclaves. The changes in land laws were logically steps to follow the end of the special status. Some restrictions remain of the transfer agricultural land for non-agricultural purposes, but this too can be cleared by the district collector. The government has said that the changes will encourage investment and advance peace and progress in Jammu and Kashmir. The argument that these changes would help the people of the region might have been stronger if they were done in conciliation with them. There is a strong opposition to opening the land market to non-residents. Political parties in Jammu and Kashmir too have opposed the changes. Free movement of people and an integrated nation of all market can advance development, but India's governance structure accommodates fears and concerns of local populations. And this context, in this context, in a measured manner, there are several states which have provisions to regulate ownership and transfer of land under Article 371 of Constitution. The center is expected to announce new land laws of the UT of Ladakh before October 30, and it was promised to safeguard interns of the PNV regarding all issues related to language. Demortify ethically land and jobs. The center's approach towards J&K have been marked by a lack of trust, which has accentuated alienation of large sections of the populations. Fears of the deliberation, demographic engineering have dominated politics in the Valley for a long. This is our today's editorial. Thank you.